Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to recover Brawl Stars account without Supercell ID. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar, type in contact Brawl Stars and hit enter. Now you will see a list of search results. Here, click on the first link that says contact form, Supercell support portal. When you click on this form, you'll be navigated to this page. Accept all the cookies on this page. Now navigate to the account section at the top left. So click on account. Now scroll down and select I've lost access to my account. Recover your account section. Click on this and it's going to open this page. Now scroll down on this page and make sure you have followed these steps to ensure that you don't have another problem. Now if you are still facing this problem, you will have to navigate to the troubleshooting option at the top right corner. So click on troubleshoot. Scroll down and select contact form in this section. When you click on contact form, this is going to open this page. Now on this page, scroll down and click on this continue without logging in button. When you click on this button, you will see a pop-up. In this, click on the select category option. Now choose something else. When you select something else, this is going to open up this form. So on this form, you will have to enter your account name. So you have lost your Supercell, but the problem here is we don't have our Supercell ID. So what we are going to do is create a new Supercell ID and enter the account name of that ID or the player tag from the new ID into this section. After entering your player tag or your account name, you'll have to enter your email address, and after that, describe your problem in this section. Type in, I've lost my Supercell account and I can't log into my ID. Please help. Just type in your problem here, select this CAPTCHA that says I'm not a human, complete the CAPTCHA and click on submit. After you click on submit, Supercell will contact you back and try to help you in resolving your problem. So that's a simple way you can recover Brawl Stars account without Supercell ID. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.